shut the fuck up. I'm gonna punch you in the face.
God's amazing grace. Let's follow our leader to the glorious unknown.
I was gonna
Stop it.
I told you.
Ow, good. Who are you? Hello?
Sorry.
No. Hey, you don't have to be sorry, okay? You didn't do anything. I'm Christine.
I'm Sarah. Oh, this is way more fun than singing.
This is way more
A
fun.
new girl. So, where are you from? Are you an Anna girl?
Mia. Both.
Have you ever been inpatient before? Where are you from? What's your name? You look like a Michelle.
Shut up, Sarah.
Sarah? Come on.
Samantha. Sam. I'm gonna call you Sam. You look like a Sam. Okay.
Let me guess, this is the best day of your life. You're a newbie.
A newbie. This is your first time inpatient, isn't it? It's my fourth go.
It's my second.
It's Grace's sixth.
You know, Grace can speak for herself.
Yeah, well, she hasn't said shit since we walked in.
Such a bully sometimes.
Try raging bitch.
Try looking in a mirror, Rachie.
I'm Grace. Sorry if we're overwhelming you.
It's fine. So, what are you in for?
Obviously, she's an Anna girl.
That's so presumptuous. You don't know what someone's struggling with just based on their weight.
All right, well, just look at her and you'd be able to see that.
Stop. I'm anorexic.
Me too.
Disdainful bulimic.
You guys are really open here.
Yeah, they're really
We'll get
annoying
used
here.
to it. Don't mind her, she's just detoxing.
I'm anorexic too.
Ooh, what's your favorite food?
Sarah, stop.
It's a
You
joke.
are making me
Just
anxious.
take a Klonopin.
I did before group.
How old are you?
I'm 19, 20.
Which one is it?
I'm 20.
I'm 18, so technically I'm a newbie too. This is the first time I've gone into treatment without my parents forcing me into it. That's how I know it's really the last time.
Famous last words.
You look ethnic.
Jesus Christ.
Guys, it's 5:15.
All right, girls, it's time
Time to set the table for dinner.
All right, I see you've met Samantha. Now, be nice to her, please.
Oh, we know, Cassie. It's her first day, ladies. That's how you sound.
Well, I know I do, and it is her first day. Now you take your 85-day butt and get things going over here. How are you doing, sweetheart?
You can sit next to me. You also have to sit next to Cassie since it's your first day, and Anna girls are heavily monitored.
Yeah, heavily monitored, touche. They don't even let you take a shit by yourself.
Dude, we are about to eat food.
Rachel, no cursing. All right, now, Sarah is going to be going over the mealtime rules. Now, it's a lot to take in at one time, but don't worry, you'll catch on. Just breathe, and remember, we're all here to help you.
Cassie, please don't let her sing.
Oh, why not? It's fun.
Please.
You got a frog in your throat?
No, bite me.
Sarah,
I would love to.
Christine, stop that now. Go ahead, sweetheart. There you go. And go.
Only one napkin per meal, 2 fluids per meal, water, milk, or juice. Elbows must always remain on the table, pockets must remain turned out. No talk of food, weight, numbers, or anything else eating disorder related. No food, rituals of any kind, including but not limited to the cutting of food into small pieces, strange food combinations, disassembling of food, sharing of food, eating food in a specific order. I'm not done. Bathroom breaks will not be permitted during meal times or for an hour afterward. If you complete your meal in a timely fashion, you'll be allotted only 1 cup of coffee or tea. Not adhering to these rules can result in a revocation of privileges. But most importantly, remember, food is fuel. Ta-da!
Very good, Sarah.
Let the games commence.
There you go. Have a seat, Sarah. So, Samantha.
She goes by Sam.
Sam, is it? Well, all right then. So, Sam, I hear that you're an actress.
What? No way.
That's really cool. What have you been in? Anything I've seen?
Well, she's not a baseball player, Christine, so I kind of doubt it.
Oh, well, your mom's not a baseball player, but
I bet you could be on the Disney Channel.
You've got a great smile. I could see
I
that.
haven't been in anything you'd recognize.
Try us. You know, Sam, that chicken isn't going to cut itself.
Sarah, no talk of food.
All right. Why don't we play a game? What shall it be?
How about Ways to Die with a Hacksaw?
Not funny.
Movies.
Ooh, Almost Famous.
Beethoven.
Cider House Rules.
Yes, please make this more catastrophic.
Rachel, come on now.
Dogma.
There you go. We play these games at mealtime to make it fun, like mealtime should be. Go ahead, try it.
E.T.?
I knew I liked you.
There you go.
Cassie, F.
Oh, fried green tomatoes.
G is Ghostbusters.
Halloween.
Into the Woods.
I didn't know lesbians like musicals.
I didn't know rodents could talk, so we both learned something today.
The more you know.
Girls, 'cause I will.
Jay, just married.
Seriously, you're gonna make fun of her for Into the Woods?
Shut up, Grace.
The movie's terrible.
That's not the point of the game.
Hey, kiss me goodbye.
Oh my gosh, with Sally Field, I love that movie. It reminds me so much of Bob Fosse.
All right, it's my turn.
I'm not the
Enough
only
of
one who likes
Irish.
music.
Cassie, you have to say American films.
That's not ever been.
I see a lot of foreign films, and it was made in Ireland in 1936.
Oh, you mean when you were 12?
I
could
was
have
not
made
even
that
born 12 years old. For heaven's sake, she slayed me, my grandmother.
Monsters Inc.
Norma Ray.
Oliver.
Another.
Yeah, because we all love them. You are alone.
Poltergeist.
Cute, Queen of the Damned.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Return of Jafar.
Oh, see, I know that one.
I knew I'd hit it once.
Steel Magnolias.
Oh, it's Sally Field again. She makes me cry so much in that movie.
Oh
my gosh, you know what another good S would have been? It would have been her made-for-TV movie, Sybil.
Sybil! It's so
Oh my gosh,
good.
it's like my favorite. I love it so much.
On. We pretty much worn the Sally.
Thelma and Louise.
Uncle Buck. Is that Leslie enough for you?
Oh, Christine, please,
Better
come
than a
on
musical.
now.
She knows she likes me.
When Harry met.
You guys skipped V again. Does nobody know how the alphabet goes?
We don't care about V.
V for Vendetta. How can you not care about V?
Whoa.
Oh,
that was a good word.
All right, girls, I seem to have lost control. Let's get back to the game, all right? What letter are we on?
X.
X.
Pass.
You can't pass.
Oh, come on, girls. X is a hard one. Xena. Oh, wait. Does that count?
It's a television series.
Oh, well, at least it's something.
Yes, ma'am.
Zoolander.
Things you take on a camping trip.
Apple.
Can't say food. Come on, man.
Seriously?
You know the
Yes, you
rules.
could not talk
Air
about
mattress.
Beer.
Against the rules. Did I not just
so
say that? Oh my
ridiculous.
gosh, beer has
beer.
way more calories.
Grace, 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 calm down.
Fine. Boat.
Canteen.
Dishes.
Electronic speakers.
I'm so sorry. I can't do this. May I please be excused?
Sweetheart, nobody can leave the table until their plate is cleared.
Okay, well, I can't fucking do that, so.
Just take a deep breath. You can do this.
Okay, well, I don't want to fucking do it, and I don't want to fucking be here right now.
All right, girls, just remain calm. You can talk about it tomorrow in therapy.
How come she doesn't get written up for cursing?
Shut up, Sarah.
Rachel, you sit right back down there. It's all right, girls. Just continue eating.
Hey. You only been here 2 hours. You already found the best hiding spot.
Will you please leave me alone? Would you please leave me alone?
Yeah, go where? Back to eat? No thanks.
Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I couldn't be in there any longer.
Nah, you're good. You were just doing what we've all thought about but never actually had the balls to do.
I don't belong here.
I know.
I just really want to go home.
I know.
You know. Well, what don't you know, Rachel?
I don't know if this is going to get any easier.
What?
This? All of it?
Then why am I even fucking trying? I should just leave. I should just go home.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then go. You don't want to be here? Sign yourself out. Go home.
I can't do that.
Why not?
Because
Because why?
because
Because you know you'll die? Look, I don't want to be here either. I just know what I was doing wasn't working.
today's my birthday. Today's my fucking birthday.